Abby, and today we're going to do another unboxing of our Universal Yums. For those who are just tuning in, Universal Yums is a monthly subscription of goodies from all over the world. I think this is our 6th box that we're about to open, and it has been so much fun getting to try all these different treats from different countries and really getting to learn about their culture. So without further ado, let's open the box. Now, normally in the past, they do have a little sticker that shows exactly where it's coming from, but for some reason the last two has not, and so it really is a mystery until you open it up. And this box is from Italy. So in every box it has a little card that tells a little bit more about the country, and then our scorecard for all the different treats, as well as some other finds that didn't make it into the box, and voting options for upcoming boxes. And there's our sticker. Greetings from Italy, birthplace of the world's most valuable painting, the Mona Lisa. And then also in every box, it has a little booklet, and it tells you exactly, like, a little bit more on the treats that are in the box, as well as a little more fun facts and all of that about the country that you're visiting. So super fun. And usually it also has some sort of recipe that you can also try that is native to that country. So, looks like we have potato chips, and they are truffle flavored. Ketchup chips. So in one of the other boxes we had tomato chips, and I really didn't like them, so I'm going to be curious on these ones. We also have crisp almond cookies. Always a good fan of almond cookies, so hopefully these are good. Looks like a raspberry chocolate bar. Love chocolate. And in this box we have Pantasto, which looks like it's a bruschetta type of cracker, I'm assuming. Looks really good. And then we have a chocolate bar with Italian hazelnuts. Yum. And this one, ooh, cranberry cookies. And then another chocolate bar with Italian hazelnut. And then looks like we have 2 of these orange carrots. Looks like a sponge cake. So that looks tasty. And then we also have limon y pepe, which looks like a lemon cookie. So we have quite a few yummy treats. In each box you also get a yum bag, which is usually a little treat that they found that they throw in. I don't usually open these on the unboxings because I like to keep something for a surprise, but make sure you stay tuned to our social medias, and that way you can see what our results are on what we like, what we didn't like, and if anything came out as like the weirdest treat in the box. But thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this type of content, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and we will catch you in the next video. Bye.